For me, AUB is about collaboration.
Being back on campus allows the students to bounce ideas off one another, and that's one of the most important things about being back in the studios.
The industry standard kit, such as cameras and continuous lighting.
Because I get the opportunity once again to be creative and to work with other people.
The small campus, it's tiny, but it's got everything that you could need.
The fact that I can do things the way I like and by my own rules in general.
My name's Kieran, and I've just graduated from the Bachelor's in Costume and Performance Design, and I'm now doing the MA Historical Costume here at AUB.
I'm Eve, I'm a second year acting student.
I'm Katie, I'm studying creative events management, and currently I'm in my second year.
My name is Eva and I come from Bulgaria, and currently I'm a third year animation student here at AUB.
My name's Udo and I'm a third year commercial photography student.
I'm Phoebe, I study BA Illustration, going into my second year, and I'm originally from Manchester.
The fact that I get access to the library once again, even though it's through the appointment system, I can still access books to do more research and to write essays and look into this industry that I want to be a part of.
And everyone wants to get involved because everyone's interested in gaining new experience and just practicing their craft.
Students here exchange cultures. You get to try new food, you get to learn new stories, and just in general the diversity is something I find very positive.
Going into costume design as a profession, you really need on-hand experience, and studying here at AUB allows the students to really gain that experience.
As the campus is so small, it's a really good little community. There's people to rely on in terms of students, the student union, staff, technicians, library. There's plenty of support here, well-being too.
I have the possibility to create lifelong connections, both professionally and friendships as well.
Getting to know people from different backgrounds is very exciting and fascinating to me.
The tech team at AUB are really fun and very helpful and have helped me with all the questions I've had about cameras and kit and stuff like that, so it's been great to be back.
During lockdown, mental health was tough at times, but the university is right here with free counselling, free wellbeing support. That's available now, and it's available when you're at home as well, so it's perfect.
To be learning once again and to just be creating and doing work, and it's so exciting to see hopefully what the future of arts is going to turn into.